Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to improve battery life on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So if you want your phone's battery to last longer, there are a few things that we're going to do. And the first one would be to disable always on display. Now, always on display is a feature where if you turn off your phone, there's going to be a screen right here that is always on, for example, something like this. So you can check the time, the date, and even notifications sometimes, and the battery. Now, this screen right here doesn't consume as much battery as just having the screen on, because it lowers the refresh rate on your phone and the brightness. But at the same time, it consumes more than just having your screen fully off. So if you want more battery, we're going to turn that screen off. To do that, we're going to go to settings, scroll down to display, scroll down to lock screen and AOD. That's the one. And then we're going to just tap on always on display and disable it. So we're going to tap on the toggle and the screen is going to be turned off. So now if we turn off our phone, as you can see, there is no always on display. You can only turn on your phone fully. So the next thing is to shorten the screen timeout time. So a screen timeout is a feature where if you're not using your phone, it's going to turn off automatically. And we're going to decrease the time it takes for the screen to actually turn off. So we're going to go to settings, and then scroll down to display, scroll down again to screen timeout, and select something between 15 seconds to 1 minute. So 15 seconds is good, and 30, and other ones are just longer, so your phone's going to be staying on for longer for pretty much no reason. So let's do 30 seconds, and that is pretty much it. So now if the phone is not going to be touched for the amount of time you set, the phone is going to turn off. Now the other thing that we can do is disable vibrations and haptic feedback. So both of those options also consume some battery. For example, when you're typing, you can feel a little vibration in the keyboard, or if you're performing other tasks, and that also consumes battery. So let's turn that off by going to sounds and vibration, and here we're going to scroll down, find the vibration option or the haptic option. So there you go, system vibration and vibration density. So here you can pretty much turn all of this off, or the ones that you don't really need. So just turn all of these options off by making the toggles gray, which means that they're turned off, and also decrease the vibration intensity right here. And that's how you turn off the vibrations. Now, the last one, which is one of the most important ones, is to turn on dark mode. So dark mode pretty much makes all of the user interface from white to dark. So all of the apps right now, as you can see, all are white in the backgrounds and in the buttons. But if we turn on dark mode, it's going to turn it black. So we're going to scroll down to display, and then just enable dark. So dark mode. And here, as you can see, everything, even the third-party apps, are now in dark mode. And that helps because the pixels that are black are basically turned off on OLED screens, which means that less pixels are being used, which gives you more battery. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.